I love these cargo pants so much, it was non-negotiable. I get more.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
What's going on, everybody? It's your TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ. And that's right, more Richie Lee collection Ripstop cargo pants. These might be my favorite pair of cargo pants, hands down, in my collection right now. And that's saying a lot because I own a lot of cargo pants, a lot of different styles. Some of my favorites are from Richie Lee's drops, even the nylon ones from quite a few drops back. I have them in green or olive, and I have them in gray, and I adore those. Now, they originally just started with snaps, and that allowed you to open the bottom hem of the pants on top of your sneakers. That just took them to a different level, but now with the softer material of the Ripstop pants themselves, and then you still have that same feature of being able to unzip the pants, allow them to fall on top of sneakers. I love it, more so also that the actual zipper is on the inside. I just think that does a lot for the shoe in itself, and I appreciate Richie for making sure that these were sent over, that I could actually have these as well. So 2 more pairs added to the collection, and 2 different colorways. I thought about black, but I said, you know what? Let's just stick to those earth tones because it is fall, and I think these will add a better pop to any and all outfits that I'm rocking, just because a lot of people will just, oh, let me just go with denim, or let me just go with black, and you guys know that I love olive, but I wanted to mix in some other things. And in terms of sizing, I always go for a size medium. In any Richie Lee collection bottom, I go for a medium, and if you need size reference, I'm 5'6", and I wear a size small in any of the Fear of God bottoms, and even though those will run true to size, like I'm always a little bit cautious, so I usually go with a medium. It allows me to have room, the waist still fits really well, and so yeah, I would say like maybe it would help if you choose to size up. Now again, I've said this before because a lot of men shop Richie Lee collection. If you're just giving me like, oh, my waist size is this, I don't shop pants by waist size. I don't. My waist is like a 25, 26. The waist means nothing to me when I'm buying men's pants because I don't fit into that anyway. I have to shop based on the amount of movement I may want in the pants, and do I want them to fit tighter or looser around my legs and my thighs. That's how I gauge, you know, will the pants have enough hip area? That's how I gauge in buying a lot of men's pants. So I apologize if you ever like put your waist size in the comment section looking for assistance on sizing. I'm like, I can't really help you there because I don't shop based on waist. The only time that I do that is if I'm shopping, let's say, PacSun for denim, and I'm buying the women's 27 or the women's 28 because it's not so big on my waist in terms of the denim, but it allows my legs to have room as well to move, especially if it's denim that doesn't have any stretch, like it's true denim and there's no stretch in them. But you guys are seeing the Ripstop pants here, so now I have them in 3 different colorways, and again, I like the fact that there's just no, actually I can't say minimal branding, there's no branding, so they're truly everyday staples I can work into my closet, and they get worked in sometimes more than Fear of God, believe it or not. So the staples in my closet are truly H&M, Fear of God, and Richie Lee collection. So go ahead and comment below your favorite colorway for the Ripstop cargo pants that I have in my collection now. And as always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.